Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 10th standard. Today I will discuss about waste management. In between waste management, today I shall discuss about 3R. 3R means reduce, reuse and recycle. In the modern world, waste is becoming an environmental problem. Waste can be managed effectively by 3 ways. The 3 ways are reduce, reuse and recycle. So let's see what is reducing the waste. The first step of managing waste is to reduce the waste. We can change the processes of method to make the best use of raw materials. We can reduce the amount of liquid waste by using scientific techniques such as precipitation and evaporation. Segregation means differentiate. Segregation of waste also reduces the amount of waste. We can heat the small amount of hazardous waste. Second is reusing the waste. Whatever the reduced material, after that whatever we are throwing, that one how we will reduce. Many materials are discarded as waste from our houses and industries, that one we know. But some of the materials can be reused, not all but some. Some of the waste materials like old glass bottles, tin cans are reduced. Some of the solid waste from the industry can be utilized directly. Fly ash is used as the substitute of cement. Bricks are made from the fly ash. It is used in the construction of roads and filling up of the low-lying areas. Third one, recycle. Recycling the waste. A large amount of what we throw away can be recycled and reused again. In India, in a particular season, tons of baggages come from the sugar industry. Bagasse, you have learned that the 3 byproducts are there. That is bagasse, molasses and press mud. In between that bagasse come from the sugar industry. Bagasse can be reused in the manufacture of pulp and paper. Anything made up of plastic produce toxic fumes and they should be also recycled. After that we can say that the broken glass can be recycled to obtain fresh glass. Similarly, copper from cables, aluminium from cans, etc. can be also recycled. Plastics are recycled by plastic manufacturers. Now, see the government initiative, how government has taken the initiative. Some of the government's environmental policy are: number 1, to check disintegration of land and water through wasteland management. Direct action from conservation of resources like declaration of reserve forest, then biosphere reserves, mangrove and protection of endangered parks, then to make laws and acts of government protection. These are the methods or the government policies are there that we can take for the government initiatives. And the Government Protection Act, that is in 1986, empowered the central government to control environmental pollution. To protect wildlife, the government of India has set up national parks, we know, also the sanctuaries, the tiger reserves, biosphere reserves, then eco-friendly techniques and concepts of cleaner technology have been also evaluated in various projects of the environment we have taken. Then some of the issues which are discussed nowadays, that are the effect of pollution on monuments, like you know that the Taj Mahal, for the protection, and that there is CNG we are using, and wildlife construction, big dams, etc. Also we are taking for to protect our pollution or to protect the waste material, on how we can that reduce, reuse and recycle in this program. So next we will come the social initiative. In the social initiative, we should have to aware of the following, that is, if air and water reduces in the area are unfit and below standard, then people of the area can organize themselves and force the responsible agencies to take the necessary action. Number 2, individuals should see that their action do not pollute the environment. Means whatever they are that the fly ash is going, that should not be spread throughout the whole locality. Then if sustainable action is not taken by the authority, people can file public interest, that is legislation, that is to get that the problem of how to solve that. In this way, public can take action. Carpool method minimizes the vehicular pollution and also save money to spend on importing petroleum. Society can play a significant role to protect the environment by creating awareness and educating people about the need to conserve and manage natural resources. Individual initiatives are also playing a great role in the environmental protection. The individual contribution are not only limited at the community, city or state level, but also in the global level. Individuals' lifestyle can also reduce environmental pollution. There are a number of examples we can give in India where citizens have played an important, significant role in environmental protection. Just like nowadays, you have seen Modi ji is saying that Swachh Bharat means clean Bharat. That means whatever we are there, that wastage we have to clean it in proper place. By segregation we have to throw. Then only what will happen, that we can clean, we can save also from all the diseases, and the waste properly, that is reuse, reduce, this process we can go, and we can segregate also according to the waste material, according to their quality. So the most famous of these include that the M.C. Mehta, then Sundarilal Bhaguna and Arundhati Rai, Medha Patkar. We can't forget their names about this process. Some tips to protect the environmental, that is, first, apply 3R principle. 3R principle is reduce, reuse and recycle. Secondly, say no plastic bags. Plastic bags are not able to recycle, that's why no plastic bags. Then that is segregation. Plastic bags are not recycled, we can't say, but is that the plastic bag is harmful for the environment. That's why segregation, that no to use plastic bag. Then segregation your waste. After that, check the emission of your waste, and then use public transport, means carpooling, whatever I told you. Then save water, protect trees, join the conservation group, means tree conservation, wildlife conservation. Then use CFC free refrigerators, save electricity by not wasting it when it is not required, and especially you have seen you are going to that from class you are going your games period, but you are not switching off your lights and fans. That one you should have to take care. Use mass transport system, check population growth so that the demand of materials keep under control. So I am finishing my video up to this. Hope that it will be helpful for you. Then watch my next video. I think it will be also helpful about waste management. Thank you.